Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Our brother say na true say Tony Kabaka was arrested, but lawyer can't go there go bail am. So make I leave you, make you hear from our brother how Tony Kabaka take secure his release after they arrest him. Enjoy the video.
All right. Beautiful Edo people, both home and in diaspora. I want to salute you all in the name of our collective struggle. My name is Comrade Lante Oriahi. That is not changing, and anytime it does, be sure I'm going to let you know. And this is the Comrade Show, and I'm glad to host you at this hour. We're going to make this broadcast, as precise as possible, but we've got some information to share with us. Some a bit disappointing, but okay, but reassuring. Disappointing, but reassuring. The first information I wish to share with all of us today is that somewhere around late last night, there's now a very serious security tussle, between the security apparatus that is loyal, so to speak, to the government of Edo State, and of course, that which some people are using at the federal level to try to, destabilize and offset the balance of the scheme of things, as it were. And some of this is played out, last night. And what we saw was a situation where, Oshomole led some group of, lawyers to, to Abuja, so to speak. And as we speak, Tony Kabaka, that was in detention, was released last night, though with undertaking, that he's going to be well behaved. As we speak, about 9 other members of his camp that were arrested alongside him, as we have been briefed. One of them was released, this morning, as it were. The other 8 are still there, and there was this claim that the accusation against them is such that they should not be kept for more than certain hours, maybe a day or 2 per se, and all of that. We're told this, a lot of the steamy supporters of Governor Baseki, they felt a bit disappointed. But the reassuring news is that apart from the undertaking they had signed, which they are already breaching, as a matter of fact, from this information we are getting right now, it does mean that, going forward, tomorrow's election, anything can still happen between now and tomorrow. But we were particularly, told, that Edo people have no cause to worry at all, that this election is going to be smooth. All the fears we've had about the lions and the tigers, I can assure you that from information we have, from very, very, formidable sources, they are being tamed, they are being curtailed. As a matter of fact, they were taken to the zoo, which was detention. Now, some of them have been granted bail, including Tony Kabaka, and they are back out of zoo. But right now, based on information we are gathering, they are not in the cage. Okay, some of us are not happy with that development because from the information we had earlier was that Tony Kabaka was going to be kept till on Monday. Surprisingly, and all of that. Again, we cannot, pinch ourselves too much because Nigeria must still maintain some semblance of, law as a lawful country. So some of the arguments were made by whatever their lawyers and all of that, and he's been released and all that. So, but I want to advise Edo people that it doesn't matter. This election is not about Tony Kabaka. The reason why when some of us even made the announcement, where we feel that the arrest of Tony Kabaka will definitely pacify a lot of people and put their mind in peace because of the incessant threat that the likes of Tony Kabaka and his colleagues and his goons have been threatening people around their own environs, but what I want to assure everybody, nobody should despair. Please, if you are a voter, you are an electorate, you have your PVC, go ahead and vote. You know, it's important you do so. The fear of, oh, I'm not going to come out because it's going to happen, that is going to happen. I can tell you that the security personnel in Edo State, as we speak, there are more than 30,000. More than 30,000. This election probably may be one of the most secured elections, you know, in the whole country when it comes to a state election. A lot of security men have been deployed to the state and all of that. And so, but again, that's not to say that we must trust these security men, because we know what they...
Now we don't hear from our brother, the way he take explain how Tony Kabaka take secure a release. Abeg, make you help us share this video to friends and family. And let us know what you think about this matter and the Edo election wey won't happen tomorrow. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.